Most recently, both of my knees. One of them was had pretty extensive damage from when I was younger with athletics, and the other one I apparently was sound, but I had some arthritis problems. So that's the one that was really giving me the most problem, funny enough. So that's what I made the appointment to come in to see about. Was their scale 1 to 10, I'd probably say 6 or 7, but my right knee that was supposedly sound almost crippled me. It was a thing where I couldn't even walk anymore. I just stumbled around, and I'd probably give that about a 7 or an 8. After the injections on my knees, they were both at the same time. My right knee pretty much cleared up after the 3rd injection out of 5. It was funny enough, I left here and went to Kmart, and when I was walking around Kmart, I said, geez, this thing isn't hurting anymore. And it was pretty much of a surprise because I was so used to the constant aggravation of it. But after the 3rd, I really noticed the improvement. Well, for my age of 68, I can do almost anything I want to do. I'm unrestricted. I play golf. My wife and I walk, and we can walk as long as we want to. I mean, within reason, as I said, for a 68-year-old, I think I'm unrestricted. Just that everybody here was so pleasant to deal with. All the girls in therapy, and the chiropractor, and Sherry, the person that gave the injection. I mean, there is some anticipation for injections in the knee, and she made things very, she gave you the impression that she really didn't want to hurt you. She was going to do all she could to prevent any pain. And there's a little discomfort, but not a whole lot. It's very much better than you expect.